Good day, Mr. Singh. My name is Robin. You may be hearing from me a bit this year as I'm doing my research into metallurgical innovation to enhance my current operation. And your technology is certainly standing out. Don't be surprised if you get a few calls from me.
Well, hello there, Robin. Well, of course. How can I help advise you today?
A couple of months ago, I invested in a reactor that has just given me so much headache, and it's just not lasting. It's causing more issues than I had before with the amount of maintenance I need to do. I came across your so-called MACH Reactor online. I'm not sure if I can trust anything else, but I thought let me give you a call and see what it's all about.
Well, you're definitely at the right place, and I'm glad that your bad experience has not put you off this type of technology. The MACH Reactor has really stood the test of time and has proven lifespan beyond 10 years. The MACH is truly plug and play, zero maintenance piece of kit.
Oh wow, now that's a pool of thought I can invest in. Let's have a follow-up call next week. I think I'm ready to invest in the MACH. And thank you so much for your time.
My absolute pleasure. Please stay on the line to hear the outro for this call.
Huh? Outro?
Yes, outro. Wait, was I supposed to say that?